Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 26, Radio Frequency, SparkFun Joystick Shield, Mk09. SparkFun Joystick Shield Kit. The SparkFun Joystick Shield Kit contains all the parts you need to enable your Arduino with a joystick. The shield sits on top of your Arduino and turns it into a simple controller. 5 momentary push buttons and a 2-axis thumb joystick gives your Arduino functionality on the level of old Nintendo controllers. Soldering is required, but it's relatively easy and requires minimal tools. We even have a step-by-step guide. The momentary push buttons are connected to Arduino digital pins 2 to 6. When pressed, they will pull the pin low. Vertical movement of the joystick will produce a proportional analog voltage on analog pin 0. Likewise, horizontal movement of the joystick can be tracked on analog pin 1.
This the SparkFun Joystick, and here Arduino here. But this now be here, the SparkFun here, Bluetooth here. Now the before like keyboard for game here, the first keyboard and that's it. But now this up down this for the game here, and I think here too, same thing here, and one here too, and the Bluetooth, so this connect, and that's it. The before the keyboard is years so good. This the project here, the joystick here, and be here and be here, the parts here, battery, zoom here, and joystick. Now the here this and this good. This before games here, game here, and the this and this for the game, and this here for use, and the key for power, just like this. So good for game before web or here. So now the project here, the B keyboard for Arduino, Bluetooth here, this up, down, this fire and space, and that's it. The button here, and this the same thing, this and this fire and this here, and that's it. Counter here, connect here, good. This send here, button here, this the here, the space here, and the press or not here, and now set up and Bluetooth here. So it's good. This now good. Here the battery, and this the perfect for this and this. Perfect. Now the keyboard, so like the perfect here, and now the keyboard here. So this first keyboard here, and here. This here, space here, and fire. So this the game for computer and Bluetooth. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram.